revision number 4. Okay, that is week 4 revision. So it's very important for us to keep you busy during this holiday. So today we are still looking at some calculation in commerce. Okay, so let's go straight to business. Question: Ade Company Limited has an authorized capital of 80,000 shares of 20 naira each, out of which 30,000 shares have been fully subscribed by the public and allotted as at 31st March 2006. Other assets and liabilities were creditors 35,000, motor van 90,000, buildings 65,000, stock 60,000, debtors 15,000, cash 5,000. You are required to calculate A. Issued capital, B. Unissued capital, C. Total asset, D. Working capital. This is a WAEC question. Okay, so you don't need to be afraid of any question in WAEC, any subject. What you just need to do is to get yourself prepared, and you'll be flowing. So no problem, no any problem here. So let's go straight to the solution. So we are required to do what? Calculate the issued capital. But before that, it is very important for us to know the meaning of issued capital. From here, part of the authorized capital that the company decides to issue out to the public for subscription. However, it is not important for you to state the meaning of the formula of the issued capital, because the question did not require you to do that, but it will only aid you or help you in solving what? The question, because you understanding the concept is very, very important. If you understand the concept, I promise you have solved about 80 or 90% of the question. So therefore, let's move. Therefore, issued capital will now be what? Since it says it's part of that authorized capital that is issued out to the public, let's go to the question. Here it says, Ade Company Limited has an authorized capital, 80,000, out of which 30,000 shares have been what? Fully subscribed. I want to believe you now know your issued capital. So our issued capital is 30,000 shares out of this 80,000. Okay, but you need to put it in value. So the shares, the 30,000 here is in units. You need to multiply it in the value of what? Naira, which is the 20 naira you have here. So 30,000 times 20 naira gives you 600,000 as the value of the issued capital. Is that clear? Okay, good. Let's move to B, unissued capital. Same here, that part of authorized capital that is remaining and yet to be issued out to the public after issued capital at a particular time. You can see, is that part of the what? Authorized capital that is not issued to the public. Okay, after what? Issued capital. So you have the formula. So unissued capital, therefore, authorized capital minus issued capital. You can see, as simple as that. Always memorize that. Unissued capital, authorized capital minus issued capital. Therefore, our authorized capital is what? 80,000 shares minus the issued capital, 30,000 shares. Okay, so you have 50,000 that is yet to be issued, which is unissued. But you need to put it in value. So times what? Times 20 naira gives you 1 million naira. So the total value of the unissued capital is what? Is 1 million naira. Please, it's very important you always multiply it by the value given to you as per the question. Because most, it's an examination situation. You might be confused. You just leave it in shares, in units, without you adding the naira. You earn some mark, but you are not going to earn your full marks there. It's very important to always multiply it by the values, okay, in naira. See what? See questions, total asset. Here, now again, the sum of all properties of a business, be it of long-term or permanent in nature, or short-term or convertible resources that are easily convertible to cash. So in other words, the total of your fixed asset and your current asset is your total asset. Okay, so we need to identify the items that are fixed asset from the question here. So from our definition, properties of the business, not monies, not monies owed by the business, okay? Properties of the business. So creditor is the money owed by the business. Motor van, yes, it's a property. Building, yes, it's a fixed property. Stock, it's a property, but not fixed assets. So also debtors and cash. So the only fixed items you have here is motor van and buildings, and which sums up to what? To 155,000 naira. Okay, our current assets, which is our stock, debtors and cash, sums up to what? To 80,000 naira. Okay, so the addition of your fixed assets and your current assets equals your what? Your total asset. That is what you have here. Total assets equals 155,000 plus 80,000, 235,000. That is your total asset. So it's very important for you to identify the items of fixed assets and current assets. Whatever the examiner asks you to do is what you do. Always remember this. Don't manufacture any items or any material from anywhere. You do with what is given to you. Okay? Now, let's move to question D, working capital. Now, what is the meaning of working capital? This is the amount used for the day-to-day running of the business after current liability have been met. Okay? Now, you have formula for working capital. Working capital is equal to current asset minus current liabilities. Okay? So our current asset, already we've solved it in question C. Current asset, the total sum of our current asset is 80,000. Look at it, 80,000 minus current liability. Let's go back to the question, the information supplied to us. So our current liability, that is money owed by the business. So what are the money owed? So it's creditors, which is 35,000. So 80,000 minus 35,000 gives you 45,000 as your what? As your working capital. So you can see, that is it. What you just need to do is just to understand the concept, be able to identify those items that you need to identify. What you need is to what? Work hard. There is something difficult in examination. In as far you are well prepared by working hard, practice a lot of questions, then you can scale successfully in any of your exams. So there is this assignment for you. I want you to work. The following are the trading figures of Zainab Trading Company Limited for the year ended at 1st December 1986. Consider creditors 20,000, premises 20,000, machinery 20,000, cash 20,000, debtors 30,000, stock 50,000, cost of goods sold 100,000, sales 200,000, plant 30,000, rent 10,000. Okay, from the above, calculate A, fixed assets, B, working capital, C, gross profit, and D, net profit. You can see, that is it. So commerce is not just you. For those of you that did not offer accounts to feel like, is this not accounting question? That is commerce. Commerce is like your account, and it's all put together. So it's a bonus mark for those of you that did account. So, however, it is not a challenge. I don't want it to be a challenge to you for those of you that did not offer what? Commerce. So it's just a simple mathematical calculation. Just put one or two items, identify them. Those items that are similar, you identify, you group them together. Those items that are no, that is just it. Then you forge ahead. Okay? So I want you to solve this and send it to my WhatsApp number 08035801104. Malam Nasir Muhammad is the teacher from Sheikh Abu Bakr Gumi Academy. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy.